Bala,
Yes, আমি ভালো আছি.
Balasi,
How you learn Bangla?
from mosque.
Do you have any Bengali friend?
Yes, of course.
That's why you know Bangla.
Mm. Do you know Urdu?
Little bit,
Yeah.
not
What do you
fluent.
know in Urdu?
So where are you from? Pakistan?
No, yes, originally.
Originally, but you live in UK right now.
Right in Condom.
So how long have you been there?
2 months. I come by banana boat.
2 months.
Swimming.
So what do you do? I mean, what's your profession?
I'm a chef right now.
Chef.
Cooking.
So
Cooking.
what's your favorite food you want to eat?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken. And what's your favorite food you want to cook?
Pizza.
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 What?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza. Okay, pizza.
Mm.
So,
What about you?
I work in a bank. Not so much.
No?
No.
Chutia. Liar.
No, I'm not a liar. Why you think
Mm.
I'm telling you lie?
Bank is good money.
You Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim. And you?
Say wallah. Say wallahi.
Wallahi.
Okay.
So, which religion do you follow?
Huh?
What religion do you follow?
I'm Muslim.
Muslim. But you smoking?
Yes. Do you do this?
No.
Then you are good Muslim. I'm haram Muslim.
Why
You are
you don't
halal.
want to
I'm haram.
follow Muslim rules and regulation? You don't want to follow?
Why? Life is too good to enjoy.
No, if you Muslim, you have to follow the
Okay.
Muslim rule and regulation.
Okay. Ask me something about Muslim community.
What do you want to know about?
No, you ask me.
You perform your prayers?
Huh?
You perform your prayers? I mean salah.
Or if I do my prayers.
You are not practically Muslim, right?
Why?
You are Muslim by the name only.
No.
So why
I was born Muslim.
you born in Muslim? Now you not follow the Muslim rules.
Yes.
So what is the reason?
Enjoying life.
Do you think Muslim religion is not good?
No, it's very good.
Okay. And